Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Debu's Tech Guide. So in this video I will show you the unboxing review of Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3i 2021 version. This machine is equipped with AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor that comes up with 8GB RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and this has operating system of Windows 11. So I have suggested Biswajit Khan for buying this laptop because as per my opinion it is a versatile laptop. Means if you are a school going person to office going person, and if you are also a programmer, you can use this laptop for your use. I don't recommend it for gaming purpose, but obviously it also can run smoothly the lightweight games also. So you can see here the Lenovo box. Let's open this seal and unbox the laptop. But before going to that, I mention one thing, because if you want to travel a lot or you want to carry this laptop to your office or to your college, it definitely is a good choice because it is just 1.4 kg of weight and don't feel bulky in your hand. So if you want to carry it in your backpack, you can easily do that. And it is also a good choice for girls who want to carry a lightweight laptop with compact and good build design that provide you almost everything a mid price range segment laptop needs. So let's open the laptop. The lid is of metallic finish. I think it is made up of metal, and the hinge is also quite good. You cannot just open it with your one hand. The underneath of the laptop is just a plastic body, but the size is not just like a 14-inch laptop, a little bit smaller I think. The keyboard is also very good because it provides you backlit keyboard. You can see here the logo of Ryzen and AMD. It claims 180-degree flip of the hinge, but practically it don't go that much, just 175 I think. Let's try to open the laptop, but it don't open. I think at first time use it need a charging. So you can see here it is a 65-watt charger, and it comes up with 65 watt hour battery. That means it can provide you continuous 5 to 6 hour service if you are just using it for browsing or any other light activity like Microsoft Office Word or PowerPoint or Excel. But if you want to make videos or like photo editing, it may not last so much time. And coming to the other point, it comes with USB-C port, USB 3.2 port, HDMI port, and they also provide you the memory card slot. And the most important thing I want to share, that this laptop I choose because of its high quality of processor. Because in that price segment, if you want to buy i5 processor or i3 processor also, that may not come with so much quality or so much other specification, right? So I always prefer Ryzen over Intel, because nowadays Ryzen series are more powerful than Intel i series. And the most important thing this laptop provides is the fingerprint sensor. Means the open button is the fingerprint, and also it provides you the camera shutter for protection purpose and for privacy. So at first I have to do some basic setting to open this laptop, so I'm not going to that much details. But if you consider this is the unboxing video, I cannot provide you the details of the performance about this laptop, and that I can provide you after just 1 week use it. Okay, so I have done all the basic settings like fingerprint scanning, setting of password administration, all the things. So let's open this again and see how much time it takes. I think this takes too much time for the first time use, and after I think the update has been done, it will run smoothly, because I am already using Ryzen 5 with 3500U processor, and I face never problems like lagging or anything performance related problem. So if you want the details review, you can comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching, share and subscribe. Thank you.